students, now we'll go for question number 12. Yes, I'll read the question, understand the question, then find it. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Radius is given, that is OD value 4 centimeters. Such that the segments BD and DC, into which BC divided by the point of contact D. This is divided point of contact D are lengths 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. CD is equal to 6 and DB is equal to 8 centimeter given. Okay. Find the sides of AB and AC. Find AB value and AC value. That means clearly in a circle one radius is given and one side of a triangle is given. The other two sides we have to find using the radius and other side. Clear children? We'll go for that one. Listen carefully, important question this is. First of all, what we have to select here, OD is radius, same join here OE. Here also 4 because it is the radius. Next, join F. You can assume here F, this is the E and here F. Here also how many centimeters? 4 centimeters. Clear children? Now, after that join OA also. Join and even OC. Next, join OB. The middle point what is here? O. Clear children? Yeah. Now, observe here in this CD is what is, it's a tangent. Yes, then CF is also tangent. Both are equal, we know. Tangents are equal. Here write what is the length here? 6 centimeters. Because CD is 6 and CF also 6. We know that both are equal. CD is equal to CF is equal to 6 centimeters. Clear children? Now, observe here BD is a tangent, BE also tangent. That is equal. We know that tangents are equal. What is here? 8 centimeters. BD and BE both are equal. Now AF AE values we don't know. AF and AE value. I am assuming this is a X. Okay. AF is X. Then AF is X means again AF is equal to AE because it is a tangent. Okay. Then here also X. All are centimeters. Okay. Now here what is? We are selecting this as a X and here also X. Both are X and X. Now, first using Heron's formula, because we don't know other two sides, these two values, using the Heron's formula, all are different because 8 plus 6, 14 given, here 8 plus x and here 6 plus 6. Using the Heron's formula, first find area of a triangle ABC. Clear children? Okay. Here divided again the triangle into two small triangles, AOB, that is AOC and BOC and AOB. 3 triangles. Even we have to find that also. Area of big triangle is equal to area of 3 triangles. Sum of the areas of 3 triangles. Using that we have to find x value. Okay? We'll go for step by step. First one, I am assuming this is A. Okay? And this side has B. And then this is a C. Clear children? We'll go for the step by step. We know Heron's formula is what is? Under root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the Heron's formula. We use for what? Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Okay. Because all sides are different. Yes. Now, S is what? S is equal to how to find? A plus B plus C by 2. First S value find out. That is S is what is here? Semi-perimeter. A is what is here? Complete this side. 6 plus 8, 14 plus here this side. B is what is? X plus 6. X plus 6 plus and C value is 8 plus 6 X. 8 plus X divided by 2. Clear children? A plus B plus C by 2. A is this, B and C. Now 14 plus 14, 28 plus x plus x, 2x by 2. Now what is the common term in this? 2 is common, then x I am writing first 14 by 2. 2 cancel, then s value is what is x plus 14. This is the s value. Clear? Now here we have to find s minus a, s minus b, s minus c also. Okay, we'll find out that also here. S minus a. First I am writing here s minus a. S value is what is here? X plus 14 minus a. A is what is here? Again 6 plus 8, 14. 14. Yes. Then 14 cancel. What is here value? X. S minus a value what is? Only x. Now s minus b. S minus b. S is what is here? We know that is x plus 14 only. X plus 14 minus 6 plus x. B is what is 6 plus x. That is minus 6 and minus x. Because if you write between minus, if you open bracket, it is minus x. Clear children? This x cancel. 14 minus x. What is answer? It is 8. Now last one, s minus c. S minus c. S is equal to x plus 14. X plus 14 minus c value. X plus 8 or 8 plus x. Then minus x minus 8. X cancel. 14 minus 8. It is a 6. Clear children? One is x, s minus a x and s minus b 8 and s minus c 6. All values we got. And s also we know. Applying this. Clear? Apply here. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to, we know Heron's formula, S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Clear children? Applying that. What is the first one? S minus S value, that is x plus 14, sorry. Then S minus A, x. Next value, S minus B into 8, s minus c into 6. All values applying in the formula. Clear? Now, what is here? 6 into 8, 48. 48 into x, 48x. 48x into this x plus 14, no change. Same I am writing here, x plus 14. Clear? This is the area of triangle ABC is under root of 48x into x plus 14. That is first one. Okay. Now we will go for second. What is second in this is, first observe here, this is a triangle, yes, and this is also triangle, and AOB also triangle. First I am writing here, area of triangle ABC is equal to, how many triangles I told you? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 triangles are there, divided. Right here, area of triangle, first one what is? BOC plus area of triangle AOB, area of triangle AOB. Otherwise, first you take AOC because first A base and B, then C will go. Okay, area of AOC. Next, area of triangle AOB, finally, AOB. We know area of triangle formula is what is? Half into base into height. Yes, half into base into height plus half into base into height plus half into base into height. This is the area of triangle formula. Because it's a right triangle, because we know this OD is perpendicular to total base. And OF is perpendicular to AC. OE is perpendicular to AB. Clear children? That is the radius is tangent. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Now apply here. This area already you know. This one I am writing here under root of 48x into x plus 14. This area we know, that is area of triangle ABC. Using the Heron's formula we got it. Now half is no change. And what is the base for BOC? This is the base. Okay, what is the base? 8 plus 6, 14 into, what is the height here? radius is the height. Clear children? OD is the height. That is the height. Height we know already, it is 4. Plus half into, what is the triangle? AOC. AOC. Clear? What is the base? Base is the AC or B. That means x plus 6 into x plus 6. Height is what is again? OF, that is radius only. 4 plus again half into base AOC, triangle AOB, sorry, AOB. What is the base? X plus 8. X plus 8 into, again what is the height here? OE is the height. OE again, it's a perpendicular, that is 4 radius. Clear children? Yeah. Now, what is the common term from this whole? 1 by 2 is common, and even 4 also common from this whole. Yeah. 1 by 2 into 4. Then what is remaining? First one 14. Second one is x plus 6. And third one is x plus 8. X plus 8. Clear? Now cancel 2 ones, 2 twos are. 2 into 14 plus 6, 20, it's a 28. And x plus x, 2x. 2x plus 14. In this 2 common again, here already one more 2, 2 twos are 4. Dear children, 2 already one number, and 2 common, 2 twos are 4. And what is remaining inside? X plus, here 28, no, this is the 28, because 14 plus 6, 20, 28 it is 20. After common, then again it is x plus 14. Clear children? Yeah, 4 into x plus 4. What is area of the 3 triangles? All 3. Now equal both. What is the area of this one? LHS side already we know, that is under root 48x into x plus 14 is equal to, what we got here? 4 into x plus 14. Clear? Now here one side is root, one side is normal. Then squaring on both sides. Cancel the root. Squaring on both sides. Clear? Then after squaring, the root will be cancelled. What is remaining? 48x into x plus 14 is equal to, this after squaring will become 4 square is what is answer? It is the 16. 16 into, just I am writing here x plus 14 whole square only. I am not opening that one. X plus 14 whole square only. Clear children? Now observe LHS side and RHS side. Here 48, here 16. Cancel the number. 16 ones, 16, 3. 3 is same. And here x plus 14 is there. Here x plus 14 whole square is there. Cancel one term here. Clear children? This is the cancel. Now what is remaining here? Write it. 3x is equal to, what is remaining? X plus 14. X plus 14. Now x transpose one side. Okay. X transpose one side. I am writing here 3x minus x. X I am taking left. Okay. 3x minus x is equal to right side. What is again? 14 only. No change. 14. 3x minus x. What is answer? 2x is equal to 14. Then x is equal to what is? 14 by 2. Cancel 2 sevens. X is equal to what is finally? 7 centimeters. What we assumed actually, AF is equal to x, that is 7 centimeters. And other one AC also same, that is also 7 centimeters. Clear children? We got now finally x value using what is Heron's formula and half into base into height. Using the triangle, area of triangle formulas we got here x is equal to 7 centimeters. Now what is asking finally? To find out BC already we know 14. What we have to find? Side AC and AD. That we have to find. Clear children? I will write here. What is the AB? AB is equal to 8 plus x. 8 plus x. 8 plus how much here now? 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is equal to how much? It is a 15 centimeters. Okay. Next, come to the other side. AC value 6 plus x. AC is equal to 6 plus x. X value what is here? 7. 6 plus 7, that is 13 centimeters. Clear children? Therefore finally all the sides what is? 1 is 14, BC is a 14 and AC is what is? 13 and AB is what is? 15. 14 centimeters, 13 centimeters, 15 centimeters. Clear children? Everyone understanding?